What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the DTV channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for the support. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to the DTV Army. Now, in this video, we're going to be doing another one of our one-question Q&As. I've been wanting to do a whole lot of these because I get a decent amount of questions on Instagram. If you want to be featured in one of my one-question Q&As, all you got to do is ask me a question through Instagram. You can email it if you want, but I prefer Instagram. You just DM me your question, or you can comment a question. I might answer one of the questions in the comment section. Anything of that sort, and you may be featured on a one-question Q&A. This question comes from, she goes by Sniper10 on Instagram. Her question was amazing. Like, I like this question a lot because it was a question that, honestly, I'm still trying to figure out, but I still gave her some insight because I have a little bit of experience with it. So we're gonna read off the question. She says, "Hey Damon, an AAU basketball organization just reached out to me asking me to be their potential team photographer for the team," which is dope. First of all, congratulations. That's a dope accomplishment for anybody to have. Like, that's a dope achievement. Like, that's a big step in your career as a photographer. I was just wondering if you had any tips or strategies on pricing when it comes to working with an organization, because I really don't know where to start. Should I price per game, per hour, per day? I've also been thinking, should I price more since they are an organization and they have more money? However, talking to some friends and they're saying I should cut the price a little and give them a discount per game since I would be getting more consistent income. I'm just a little confused, and I hope you can help me be less confused. Like I said, it's a great question. It's a tricky question as well because everything is subjective. Every opportunity that anybody may get may be subjective. But I did have if you come to me with a question, I'm definitely gonna do anything that I can to respond. And like I said, I like this question a lot. I did respond to her and I gave her my 2 cents through DMs, but I also wanted to make a whole video about it. One of the first questions that she had was, how should she charge? Rather that be per game, per day, per hour. The way I think this makes sense when it comes to because she said basketball AAU. And if you know anything about basketball games, for the most part, they do remain within a certain time frame. But then again, they can be prolonged due to uncontrollable circumstances. I would hate for, let's just say on both ends of the stick, right? An uncontrollable circumstance happens, the coach can't control it, you can't control it, but you're on an hourly rate. Now the coaches only really want you there for a certain amount of hours, however the game is prolonged. So either they gotta come out of pocket more to pay you for the extra hours that it isn't either of you guys' fault, or you're gonna miss part of the game. Some people might see, oh, the games may last longer as a come up, I mean, it's unfortunate, I'm still getting paid more. But then again, you don't wanna be that type of person. Like me personally, if one of the players got hurt and the game was prolonged longer, I'm not gonna go digging in the coach's pocket for more money when one of his players just got hurt and the game is longer. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to working with an organization like a basketball team, like an AAU basketball team, I personally feel like the best way to do it is to charge per game. You get their schedule, you figure out how many games there will be, and you charge based off how many games they want you at. If you give them your price, and they can't afford that price too much, okay, then you say that, okay, I can come to less games. I don't have to come to all of the games, or they can pick out what games they want you to. Maybe it's only the home games, maybe it's some away games. You feel what I'm saying? So now you have more to work with when it comes to the pricing of it. So you're making sure you're still getting what you're worth. Like if the coach is fine with, you leaving early, only really needs you there for a certain amount of time, then that's different. If you are in control of how you get paid, I would say like that hourly, it's too iffy. You're never really too in control of how much you're for sure getting paid. Because if you throw hourly up in there, now it gives them more leeway to work with. Okay, I really only need you there for half an hour then. And now it's not really worth it because they're cutting down your prices because now they have more room to work with based off of the time that you're there. Instead of you just saying, I'm gonna be here for the game. Not half the game, not 1/4, not a half a quarter, the whole game. And this is my price. When you're looking at it from that business standpoint, now you are in more control of this deal. You are in more control over making sure that you're getting paid what you want to get paid for every game that you go to, so you're not wasting your time. Like, I would never go to a shoot and somebody's like, okay, I'm charging them an hourly rate of $100 an hour. I bet I only need you for 10 minutes. I'm not going. It's not worth my time. So if you getting paid an hourly rate and you there for 30 minutes, I just need you for 30 minutes this game. I mean, yeah, I just need you for 30 minutes this game. Come on, now that's messing with your pockets because you thought you was gonna be getting paid this much, but now you're not. Per game, I feel like that's a better deal for you and for the coach too. You know, so that everything is in line. So that everything is transparent, so y'all know what prices are gonna be paid where and what per game. Per day and per game is pretty much the same thing. Unless they want you at more than just games. If they want you at practices too, then that's different. Like I said, everything is pretty much subjective, so it's a lot of variables that can alter this, but I'm just speaking in a broad state, right? So we're not even gonna talk about if practices are included. Moving forward from that, you said, should you charge more because they're an organization? And then you said that you were talking to some of your friends and they said that you should give them a bit of a discount because they're an organization. I disagree with both of those statements. Charge what you are worth, and the fact that they are an organization makes it even more important for you to charge what you're worth. Because let me tell you something an organization will do. If there's any team type of anything, organization, if you're going to shoot for any type of business, organization, whatever, if you don't approach this as a business, like as a business to yourself, so it's a business to business thing, you're not there. I promise you, you're going to get lowballed. You're going to get lowballed because of the way that you approach the deal. You don't want to make it seem like they're doing you more of a favor than you're doing them. You need to allow them to know, like, I'm gonna bring a lot to this team by being your photographer. You adding me as an asset is going to benefit you. You never want to make it seem like, oh, I'm so excited for this. Even, I get it. Even if it's your first opportunity to get into this door, you never want to make it seem like, oh, I'm so excited for this, and that, because you're gonna get lowballed. You're gonna get lowballed, and then that puts you in a position to accept whatever they offer. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. Anybody that's trying to do any type of business, anybody that's any type of photographer, whatever the case may be, anybody that's a creator knows this. I'm not gonna say for everybody. This is for me. It doesn't matter the status of whoever brings me the work. My price is my price. I'm not gonna lower my price because someone famous hit me. Oh, you got fame. I'm not gonna lower my price because, you know, oh, it's a big opportunity. You're bringing me more work. Nah, I can't do that because now I'm flip-floppy on my prices. That's bad business because now that makes it so that your prices are inconsistent. Now you're lacking respect from clients because your prices are inconsistent. If someone doesn't want to pay your prices, cool, no harm done. Shake hands, move on about y'all day, move on about y'all lives. So with that being said, do not charge more, do not charge less. Don't try to get over on them, and do not lowball yourself, and do not allow them to lowball you. I think for the most part that answers that question. Once again, like I said, congratulations on getting this huge opportunity. I really hope you take it. I hope you get it because it sounds like you do want to take the opportunity. I really hope you get the opportunity. I really hope everything works out with the deal. But like I said, just make sure it's in your favor. If you have to walk away from it, walk away from it. If it's not for you, it's not for you. Trust me, I've had to do that before. I've had to walk away from a lot of deals or a lot of opportunities because, you know, people just weren't willing to pay what I was worth. There's no hard feelings when somebody doesn't want to pay me what my price is. Like, it's like when you go to a store, you see some sneakers. Damn, I can't get those. They too pricey. What, the sneakers gonna be mad at you? You feel me? A lot of people starting to like learn and understand, like, when I give my price is my price and I'm firm on it. The clients you're gonna lose from being that way are the clients you do not want to keep. I promise you that. You don't want to keep those clients that want to negotiate with you and bargain with you and this isn't. Nah, you want clients around you that's gonna pay you your price. And you ain't got to sit there and bargain. They trying to lower your, hey, can you do this? Can you do, you feel me? You don't want to keep those clients around. So when those clients walk away from you, by all means, that means you're moving up. Because I promise you, the clients that you're going to start keeping around and bringing around and stuff like that are going to be the ones that are willing to pay your price, that see you for who you are, that respect you for your work. Uncle Dame just dropping knowledge, man. You know DTV got to come with it. Look, listen, that's all I got. That's all I got. I hope it should not have been a long video. I'm thinking 7-8 minutes max. Should not have been a long video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like, man. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the support. We've been going crazy lately. I ain't gonna lie, I think we had like 160, 170 subs as of right now. If you want to be featured in the next one question Q&A video, like I said, either drop a comment or DM me on Instagram. It's up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you could drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to cop some merch. Top link in the description. I kind of messed up my outro. It's okay. Don't forget to stay creative and see you next one. Peace.